Every breakdown starts with a warning, but most teams don't catch it until the equipment fails. Failure shouldn't be a part of your plan. Clue catches faults before they break you. Data-driven PM, fault code powered, zero excuses. Here's how. Step 1. Centralize your fleet. Add every asset, any make, model, or class, into one system. Upload specs, serial numbers, warranties, thresholds, and service history. Step 2. Set smart PM tasks. Assign PMs like oil changes or inspections based on time, hours, or usage cycles. Choose flexible or fixed intervals depending on real-world performance. Step 3. Enable real-time fault alerts. Clue connects to your telematics and sensors. When a threshold is hit or a fault code fires, your team gets an alert. Fast. Custom lead time notifications ensure you never miss critical issues or upcoming PMs. Step 4. Create work orders instantly. Turn maintenance tasks into work orders. Assign, track, and complete with clear visibility across the team. Step 5. Maintain a full digital audit trail. Every task is logged, date, type, parts used, notes, cost, everything you need for audits, warranties, and analysis. Step 6. Track downtime, fault frequency, maintenance costs, and service success rates. Use insights to cut waste, extend asset life, and improve uptime. Step 7. Filter by location or shop. Focus your team's work by site or region. Easily assign PMs by shop to streamline large-scale operations. Step 8. Integrate with your tools. Clue syncs with your ERP, telematics, and IoT systems, keeping operations, finance, and maintenance connected. Keep assets thriving, not just surviving. Book a demo today.